Hey friends, if Feedback Hub is not opening or working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So it's easy. Just search for Feedback Hub in the Windows search bar and click on App Settings. Now scroll down, click on Terminate first, then click on Repair. Wait till you get a tick mark here and that will fix the issue in most of the cases, but if not, then reset the Feedback Hub. Again, wait till you get the tick mark here. And if it doesn't work, there's not much else that you can do. Simply uninstall it and make sure that it is uninstalled. Okay, it will need a few minutes for that. Then open the Microsoft Store and search for Feedback Hub. Okay, go to the Feedback Hub app and then click on install here to reinstall the Feedback Hub. This will solve your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.